going tubers, it's me AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video. This video I am unboxing a rather familiar case. I have unboxed this, I have used this case on my old phone, which is the Sony Xperia Z. I forgot which Z it was, but it was a Z something, and it was that at that time the case was called Metal Iron Man Tower, whatever it's called case. But this time it's simply called Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus metal case for 6.2 inch phone, whatever. Let's go into it. I love that case, but unfortunately that phone was really old, so I upgraded from the Xperia Z2, I think it was, I can't remember, to the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. And ever since I got the S8 Plus, I'm gonna be honest with you, I've never had a favorite case of the S8 Plus. Every case I've had, for example, the one here right now, it's, I don't know, it's a nice case and all, but it just makes the phone look a bit, ungenuine. So what I've got right now is a case that's gonna literally make the phone look like it's from the flipping future, man. And I also remember with the Z2 case, metal case, I'm gonna provide a link in the description below if you want to see that. Whenever I wore that case in like on public places like a tram or something like that, dude, people gave me compliments like, what the hell, where are you from, man? But anyways, here is the box. Dude, that box looks amazing. What's it with these metal cases and that boxes? It looks like I bought some gold, literally a golden brick or something. It's beautiful, man. At the back side is nothing. Front side is like this, and it's all gold. It's got it says are just can't even read upside down. Pursue everywhere. I just pursue everywhere. This case, I was lucky to get it for £10 from Amazon. However, at the moment you can get it from eBay and such for like £15 to £20. But anyways, how do you even open this, dude? Right, we got like, oh wow, it's magnetic. Can you believe this? The flipping boxing is actually magnetic. Right then, it's got these screen protectors. To be honest with you, with brand new phones these days, they're having such a, oh, it's a gift. Cool, he gifted me this tempered case. Wow, such an awesome seller this guy is, man. What the hell? And I'm not going to use the tempered case because, the phones these days have tougher displays as it is. They don't need any tempered displays. Right, here is the case itself. It looks absolutely amazing, man. It's more gold. I mean, it's more silver than gold, but it will do the job, man. It will do the job. And it comes with this, as well as it's coming with this basically whatever strap you call this. I'm gonna put this on anyway, but I have a feeling I'm gonna remove it sooner or later. It comes with a screwdriver as well as a belt buckle with flipping hundreds of mini screws, as well as an instruction manual, which, to be honest with you, it's not that complicated. I don't think we will need to look at the instruction manual. Fingers crossed. Right, let's put all the extras to a side. Note, if you get this case, I don't know if you're going to get this screen protector with it. I got a tempered glass screen protector. It says gift. He gifted me this. But just a heads up, I don't think you're going to get this unless your seller is really, really nice. So don't expect any extras there. So inside the case, you have this rather protective like back. Well, yeah, it's pretty. It's not soft, but it's that material that will basically take off the metal to the phone. However, I am a bit disappointed at the corners, the edges, because they have no protection at all. So I'm thinking if this case is just for show, because if you literally do not, if you smash this phone on the floor or something like that, the metal's gonna make it much more worse. So wow, these screws are pretty roughly in, man. It's like someone put their full force into it. So I'm just unscrewing this so I can put my own phone in there. Easy as that. And here goes the second set. Goes off. Out of this case you go, man. This case is just a typical case. It's a beautiful case. I got it for I thought the case was gonna be royal blue, but it came out to be like a little, like a girlyish version of a blue. So that's why I didn't like it much. And my phone is absolutely dirty in that case. Guys, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to clean the case and I'm going to be back with you. Give me after this little break. Right then, tubers, after I clean the phone, no matter how many times I clean the phone, there's still going to be dust on it. I'm just going to put it in, and I think it just goes simple like that. That's it, it's in. And then I will, oh damn it, I hate, you know what, I've got such big fingers that I hate it when little screws like this go out. You know what, I'm scared tightening the screws, dude. I really am. Because I can't tighten too tight, because if I tighten too tight, definitely the screen's gonna crack. Right, that's it. I'll just tighten it just enough so that the phone's in place. Let's go that side. Come on, go in, dude. There we have it. And then the other two sides. What I like about this case the most is a lot of the phone is exposed but protected at the same time. I'll show you that in a minute, in a second. As soon as I put all the screws on. They gave a lot of extra screws. I hope they are not coming with the idea of, well, I don't know, if you're in a vibrating environment, that the screws might come off. But here we go. Another screw. The screws are tiny, dude. See that the screws are tiny. Oh, my fingers are huge. What the hell? Why isn't this going in? Right, guys, I'm experiencing technical difficulties. I'll be right back after doing the screws in. Right on, tubers, after a little bit of fidgety screwing in, I've finally done it. Finally managed to get the screws in. Also put this on. Like I said, I don't know how long I'm going to leave this on for, but I'm just going to test it at the moment. So as you can see, guys, the phone is literally a lot exposed, man. Look at that. You can see the side of the screen. You got a button there. But can you see these metal aluminium edges coming out? This is what's going to protect the phone when it falls out. So all this is exposed, but it's not going to literally tap. And even if it falls off flat down, right, as I can see, I don't know if you guys can see or not, the corners are big enough so the screen's not going to fall smacking down on the floor. The corners are going to protect it because the screen is slightly lifted. Same goes for that side. All the buttons are visible. And same goes over here, the speaker's visible, the headphone jack's visible, the charging ports are visible. However, the SIM tray is not visible. Well, you don't even need the SIM tray, to be honest with you, when the case is on. I mean, you don't access your SIM tray every single day now, do you? Now, here is the phone while it's on. As you can see, this is my wallpaper. Let me unlock it real quick. Let's see if my fingerprint scanner is working. Yes, working perfectly. Oopsie. There you go. Working perfectly. And smack on a really nice wallpaper, like so. Well, I haven't got a golden wallpaper right now, and the phone is gonna look literally OP. This phone, yes, it can use it as a stand, like so. But to be honest with you, it's not the best stand in the world. You know what? Just ignore that I said you can use it as a stand. Maybe this way. There you go. You can use a stand that way. Well, not the other way. The other way upside down. You can also use this as, do not follow my advice, guys. If you get into a fight or something, right, you can hold it like this and the edges are so strong you can smack it in someone's head and literally it's going to cause a lot of damage. This is not advised by AMR, by the way, just saying it. Right, I got a wireless charger here as well, so let's see if it wireless charges, because the review says it doesn't, but I'm going to test it anyway. And nope, it does not wireless charge, no chance. The metal blocks it, and I think it's pretty dangerous keeping a metal thing on top of a wireless charger. So you've lost the wireless charging ability. So far my signal is a standard, what it was before, and my Wi-Fi is full. So write down in the comments below what you think about this case. You can ask me as many questions as you want, and I will answer them all. And obviously, this is my first day in the case, so maybe after a week, if you write comments after a week, I will answer all the comments about signal, GPS, how I'm feeling with it, how it's like in my pocket, and let me just check how it is like in my pocket, to be honest with you. In the pocket, it's perfectly fine. You know, it looks big, but it feels like just a normal phone. Seriously, it just feels like the normal phone. And my old metal case with the Xperia Z, it was pretty sharp around the edges and it literally ripped a lot of pockets. But this one's pretty smooth around the edges. So hopefully this ain't going to rip any of my pockets. But any issues, I'll let you know in the comments below. Do not forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And thank you for watching AMR. Peace out.